Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So for today's vlog, I'll be featuring with you another credit card which is from Metrobank. Okay, so before we proceed this video, please to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for more updates, just click the notification bell button and follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, X, TikTok at RayRaynatics. Again, if you don't like my contents like this, then definitely just exit this video to avoid receiving some negative comments dyan. And if you still wanted to give a negative comments, I would say you're just wasting your time. Okay, so ayun na nga. Basically, I have another credit card product na i-share sa inyo, which is ito, Metrobank Metrobank Dollar Platinum Mastercard. Okay, so I know guys na medyo hindi talaga siya or bihira nyo lang maririnig itong dollar credit card na may encounter nyo. Pero kasi sa case ko naman, the reason why kung bakit kumuha ako nito it's because kapag ginamit ko to sa US, I won't get any foreign transaction fees because it was billed in US dollars. So basically it's a dollar credit card na pwede ko magamit ko dito. Actually meron akong isang existing dollar na credit card which is from RCBC. Ayan, so yan yung ko, RCBC Platinum Mastercard in US dollar variant siya. So kung gusto mong mapanood itong credit card video, yung credit card ko nito, hanapin nyo na lang dito sa YouTube channel ko. It's one of my contents here. So ayun, actually karagdagan lang din, I have an existing credit card din with Metrobank too. So ito yon, Metrobank Visa Platinum. So cashback siya guys. So ayan, if you remember do sa inbox ko nitong credit card video na to, I'm not really a fan of cashback. Mas gusto ko yung mga earning points for miles, yung mga ganon. For travel talaga ako. But right now, since malaki na yung credit limit nito, it's I don't know kung magkano binigay nilang yung pag-increase ng credit limit ito. Pero kasi as of the moment, aantayin ko yung yung Metrobank travel signature visa nila. So stay tuned for that. So eto, hindi ko na siya magagamit. So I have to wait for a new card, which is ayun nga, yung Metrobank travel signature visa. And yun, so right now for this video, ito muna yung pag-uusapan natin, itong Metrobank Dollar Platinum Mastercard. So okay, and then ito yung harap niya, which is andito yung name tsaka yung address. So ayan, and then I think yung nito is yung secure track ba yun? Yung nag-ship nito. So ayan. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed to unbox this this new card. Unbox or unpack, whatever it is. So yeah. Ayan. So inopen ko na siya dito. Ayan. Ayan. And then, yung stapler. Wait lang guys, yung stapler, yan ko lang. Yan. Here you go. Yeah. And then, there's another staple dito sa dito sa gitna. So, I have to remove this. Be careful guys na na hindi kayo matutusok dito sa stapler na to. Ayan, ginamit ko na lang yung gunting. Ayoko kasi masira yung ko, yung sa French tip ko. Ayan tingnan nyo, ganda na. Ayan, So, yeah, na ano ko na siya. So, ako muna, ayan. So, once na tanggal nyo na tong plastic tsaka yung sticker nito, so ito yung unang makikita ninyo. Yan. So, so ito siya. Kung naman yung sinabi dito. And then, here, sa baba, ayan siya. Dito nyo makikita yung traditional na ano na envelope. So ayan. Okay, so I just have to get this away and then yeah, ito na. Wait lang. Hindi ko pa na ano yan. Wait lang. Ito siya. Ayan. So I'll try my best to open here. If not, kukuntingin ko na lang. Yan. Mas gusto ko yung ino-open dito sa ano eh. I'll try my best na hindi siya masira and all. So, yeah. There you go. It's open. And then, here you go. Oh my God! Ang laki ng credit limit ang binigay sa akin. Oh my gosh. I love Metrobank. Thank you, Metrobank. Oh! So, ayan siya. Wait lang. I just have to make sure na ano. I-pause ko muna for a moment, guys. So, wait lang. Pause for a moment. Okay, so, ayun na nga. I just had to make sure na wala kayong makikita dito. So, ito na siya. Oh my God. This is the Metrobank dollar na Platinum Mastercard. So, if you wanna know kung magkano ang credit limit na binigay nila sa akin, it's $8,500 na siya. So, ayan, wait lang. Papakita ko sa inyo. $8,500. US dollar po siya, hindi siya Philippine peso. So, it's a dollar credit card. So, it's $8,500. So, if I wanted to compute it in Philippine peso kung magkano siya. So, if we go to like xe.com and then wait lang, xe.com and then I'll just have to like go from US dollar to Philippine peso. So if I enter 8,500, so mga nasa ano na, almost a $500,000 na yung credit limit ko dito. So grabe, ang galante pala magbigay ng credit limit si si Metrobank. So ayan siya. Wait lang. Ayan, para ano. Yan yung credit limit ko from US dollar to Thank you, Metrobank. So yeah, I really love this card so much because first of all, syempre it's also a travel credit card, so that's really fit for my lifestyle. And then the second one is that syempre nakatira din ako sa US, specifically in Hawaii. I can use this, pero since I still have my US credit cards pa rin, yung pa rin gagamitin ko. But just in case, ayun, meron akong pang backup dito. So, ano bang nito? So, basically, yung card na ito, hindi na siya yung emboss na para may aangat na pangalan mo, yung credit card number, and then the expiration date. Ano na siya, printed na siya. I think most of the credit cards are na siya, ganun na siya. Hindi na siya yung emboss, pero na siya, printed na yan. I think some of the credit cards na pa rin siya, emboss pa rin yung ginagawa. Pero most of it naman ay puro na, printed na siya. Okay, so yeah, I just have to activate this credit card and all that. Let's see kung dito. Ito yung nasa likod. So if you wanted to read for a moment, you can pause it. Ayan. Ito yung baba. You can pause it for a moment. So, ayan. And then nasa baba yung yung how to activate your credit card. So, ito siya. Ayan. So far, ang masasabi ko dito is nothing so much na when we talk about yung tawag dito, yung perks and rewards dito sa card na to, kasi hindi naman kasi din-display dito sa dun sa nila, sa tawag dito, dun sa website nila sa Metrobank, and then di nag-appear yung yung Metrobank Dollar Mastercard nila. Pero once you, sorry for the background noise, so, kung gusto nyong kumuha ng Metrobank Dollar Platinum Mastercard, go to their website and then click apply now. Tapos i-swipe nyo lang na and then doon makikita nyo yung Metrobank Dollar Mastercard kung gusto nyo kumuha nun. Pero syempre kung ayaw nyo, edi wag. May pagganyan pa. So ayan. Yeah, so far for me lang, I think magagamit ko naman talaga siya. So ayan. And then malaki pa yung credit limited. Oh my goodness. And then syempre for the next video, abangan nyo na lang yung Metrobank Travel Signature Visa na meron ako. Kasi currently right now, ito yung meron ako, pero in-upgrade na nila into Travel Signature Visa kasi yun naman talaga yung para sa akin. Hindi ako pang cashback talaga. So yun lang naman. I hope you enjoyed this video, pero again nga, if you don't like my video like this, just exit this video na lang. So yeah, that's it for today. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope I share some information, good informations with you, and peace for now.